In this video I'm gonna tell you how to do dark mode on Discord application, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, open Discord application. It is pretty simple. Now tap on three lines on the upper left corner. Now tap on Discord icon on the lower right corner. Now scroll down and tap on appearance option, and here tap on dark mode. Wait for a few seconds. It will change to dark theme. After it restart, it automatically change to dark mode. So I hope you will like this video, so please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.